I just came up. Okay, I just came up. Sports Specialties, green brim, one size fits all. The center ice. Whoo! That's a definite come up. And again, for how much? $3.99.
Oh my god, yeah!
Welcome back everyone to the channel. If you can, please like the video, comment down below, and also be subscribed if you want to see this keep going and these restorations. Also with that, if you can, check out the Instagram at @FreshOnFleet. So as you can see, this is what I'm working with here. It's been crushed, it's been brushed, time has taken from this thing, but I'm going to restore it as best as I can. Like always, if you've seen my other restoration videos, then you know what I'm talking about. But as you can see, this is good bones. This has really good bones to start with. The sweatband is not even stained, and this is what I'm talking about coming up for $3.99. A literal heater at the thrift. A gem. Now first off, I'm going to take this tag off, that $3.99 tag, and I'm going to get right into it. And this is where it all comes down to it. You got to get a good soaking. This is actual organic detergent, and I mix it really well. I try to not get it all over the material. You want to really soak that in there, because in time this will soak, and then I will be scrubbing that sweatband, and you really want to get any debris or any dust or anything out of this material if you want the results that I'm going for. And the results I'm going for, I want it to be spot on, I want it to be A1, and I want it to be perfect. So I'm going to leave this for about an hour to let it soak, and onto that I'm going to be taking my brush and scrubbing the sweatband. This is literally the problem area of this hat. That's the only thing I see, which was amazing considering I've had other hats where they have stains all over. So after the scrubbing, I'm gonna let it soak again for another 20 minutes, and this is what it really needed. And I'm hoping to do a little before and after of the water itself, so you can see how the water started and this is what it became. So yes, even though the item looked clean and looked almost perfect, there was some dirt, there was some dust, there was some time in there, and I wanted to take that time out of it. So now this is where it comes down to the shaping. I literally take a towel, I shape it up to what I want, and I stick it right into the middle there. This helps with drying, and this helps with the shaping process, and this is what it is. I will leave this for about 1 day, hopefully overnight. And now as morning came, you could see I was super surprised to see how it turned out, and it completely dried. I was very happy with the results. First off, the panel, as you can see, looks amazing. No more crinkling, no more wrinkling. And onto the rest of it, I mean, all I can say is it's a 180-degree look of it from the outside, and on the inside it was awesome too. Again, this is more clean than it was. This is more less dusty. This is again a awesome restoration because I didn't have to change the snapback like the Chrome Hearts hat. In this case, it came out one-to-one what I was gunning for, and as you can see, this is a fully done hat. This is not sitting there with something on the inside. This is actually dried, and the shape is perfect. This is what I wanted. And remembering, the prepping process here is everything to this. So like I said, do your research, do your work, but as you can see, if you do the right steps and you do it correctly, in the end, the results will come. Again, I gotta say thank you for watching. This was Mick with Fresh on the Fleet.